Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of all my Scratch projects. In this one I will share a lot of Geometry Dash projects I made, as well as some 3D attempts, and as well as my newest projects. So right here is Airborne Robots. I took forever to make this. I really wanted to play Airborne Robots, but I couldn't really play it, so I made this. That's no clip, first of all, so then I can actually survive through most of the level. Literally for the song, I just combined a ton of different Airborne Robots tracks, such as like just a completely like 80s version, a piano version. I don't know. It also for the screen effects. I actually had to program that in the code, and I also did all the design, except for the spikes. The ground spikes are already built in. For this ball section, I also did all the blocks again. Like as you can see, it's not 100% accurate to Airborne Robots, but somewhat similar. Get this second one, and let's get the last one too. Yeah, this chip space is too tight. Okay, now yeah, we get to this part. Probably work on Nebulon after making this. Oh, whoops. Okay, can't get the last coin. Okay, so let's work on the next. Let's go to the next project, if it will load. Okay, Hexagon Force incomplete. Again, I could not get the full version of Geometry Dash, but this is a lot earlier before Geometry Dash had broken. So I started making Hexagon Force incomplete. Yeah. Okay, so now, let's wait for it to load. Okay, here it is. Hexagon Force incomplete. Yeah, again, I did all the graphics, no clip again. What would I do without no clip? I also simplified some of the parts in this. Oh, back no clip. Okay, ground now. Yeah, we're gonna. That's all I got onto it. Okay, so yeah, next project. My icons. So this is basically my icons in Geometry Dash that I wanted. Like, see right here, my own icon. Wish I had Geometry Dash. Yes, yeah, I'm pretty sure it uses the song Sonic Wave. No, sorry, Sonic Blaster is what it's called. Yeah, this is basically a demon level. Basically just a layout for a demon, and I die. Oh, wow. Why did I make this? This is kind of fun to play, though. Did you see that? Okay, I want to see if I can implement that glitch. No, I don't think I'll be able to. Will I be able to actually beat this? Oh my goodness, that was pretty far. Okay, let's go to the next project. Yes, Blood Rush. This is basically, once I figured out about Bloodbath, I made this called Blood Rush. It's also kind of 3D, but because of the layering scratch, it didn't really work. Okay, so here is Blood Rush. Um, see, already 3-piece screen. Go to no clip because this is impossible. Actually, it's possible I beat it once. And failing. That's all there is to Blood Rush. I spent quite a lot of time on Blood Rush, especially trying to beat it. Next is we can do the songs later. So this is an older version of Geometry Dash and Broken. This is after I added jump pads and jump orbs. So yeah, this is the old background. I like this. I like it. Yeah, so A to start. Yeah, this is after I added the jump pads and jump orbs. I think it's this old version also has such fun blocks I had that I took out. Like grass blocks not that fun. Like this like Electroman Adventures block. I mean like so fun. I don't know why I took this like out. I took out these graphics. It's so fun. Um blocks. It's got like bricks, it's got these hexagon forest thing, it's got these yeah, it's got quite a lot of blocks I kind of miss. It's got most of the portals. I believe it's missing some portals. Basically everything I needed. Next, let's go to the Geometry Dash Broken soundtrack. It's just music. That's an announcement. Yes, Fireheart, the full version. This one has everything. Well, just it's basically Fireheart, but it's a lot longer. Again, I will go into no clip because why not? No clip. Oh, some of the block's not loading. This part already looks different from the original. Oh, and I accidentally got the coin. Oh, whoops. This part's been buffed. Like, the whole level's been buffed. I like that part. Like, it has one spike. It's not that difficult to overlevel. This part usually, like, never loads. Yep, and that is literally it. Now we can get on to other things like this stuff is just a lot of this other stuff is just stuff I made. So with the original, well, the old Geometry Dash and Broken editor, I made the Theory of Everything theme. I quite like it. Yeah, see, blocks take a bit to load. Yeah, but like it's got shading and everything. Oh, whoops! I'm failing at these different cube physics. Yeah, that is literally it to that. Okay, now let's get on to the music. Some of the music that I made. Then let's continue with the Geometry Dash and Broken stuff that I had made on my other account. So, there's the boss battle theme, dungeon theme, Ninja Kitty Cat main theme, which I really like the Ninja Kitty Cat main theme. And there's also Kaji Town, which I like. They're basically just repeats itself over and over again. Let's go on to the next one, and my favorite soundtrack I've ever made, Kaji Town. I love it so much. And it just keeps on repeating. Now let's get on to the new Geometry Dash and Broken projects. Okay, so next is Geometry Dash and wait, there it is. Geometry Dash and Broken. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me 62,000 views, or more than 62,000 views. I mean, that is insane. Yeah, let's let it load now. Yeah, so you can obviously change your icon. Let's do this one. Oh yeah, now partition, partition, whatever his name is. So first we have Battletown, which is a very simple level, easy. Oh yeah, that's one of the bugs in this is like if you jump just right, you end up getting this glitch. But you have to jump right before you hit the block. It's kind of stupid, but it's really fun when you see it in action. Yeah, so originally for this, the original design was from a Geometry Dash level that I made called Steampunk, where basically it uses the song Cludfunk V2, but like the level, yeah, it just had this like it was like this old steampunk theme. This level wasn't the greatest though in design. It's very simple and very easy, but it's all the first levels are supposed to be easy, unless if it's press start. Press start is impossible, but not completely impossible. So first, next we get to the ship parts, which is not very hard. I feel like I was trying to base some of it off of the Stereo Mana ship, and that kind of failed. But like honestly, Stereo Mana is too easy. So next is this annoying part, which has a bunch of like triple-ish spikes. It also has some buggy gameplay, but and it's also very basic. Like you have to hold right there to hit that jump orb. Then last of all, we get to this ship part, which is too hard. I mean, like, you can just do that. It's really hard. Okay. Next off, we get Monody. Oh, that glitches. So, Monody is a very basic level again, except for some of the just so you know, whenever it takes a little while for the lava to load, that's because there's more than 100 blocks in the scene, and that lava can't load just yet. See, like, right there, it just starts loading. That is not in Thunderzone, because Thunderzone has 150 clones at once. Oh, sorry, like 250 clones at once. That's already kind of getting off sync. It's kind of frustrating. And honestly, this boss section is way too hard. Just so you know, in this Geometry Dash Unbroken, you can, well, you can't play Unity, but you can act like it's a level. It is a level I started working on, but ended up stopping working on Unity. Yay. I don't know, I kind of want to die at the end, but I kind of don't want to. Okay, let's now get to the level Skyfortress, and I'm going to talk a lot during this because I don't want the song to get copyrighted. Okay, so... what? Stupid bugs. Okay, yeah, so here is Skyfortress. Very easy level to do. I'm wondering if the jump orb glitch will work. I mean, that jump had... Oh, it happened! I don't understand why that happens. Every time on my first attempt, that always happens. It's kind of ironic. Okay, now let's see from this attempt if I'll want to attempt it, because that's usually what ends up happening. Okay, so we dodged that. Then we get to the ship part. A lot of this level's auto, like right here. I don't know why. The design of this level is also very basic. I mean, the thing is, one of the reasons why this level is so buggy is because I made this in 3 hours. Well, the level, not the whole game. The whole reason it took 3 hours is, well, the thing is, it was December 3rd. I wanted to release it on December 4th. And the thing is, there's only Monody in Battletown, so I made this in 3 hours. And the thing is, the gameplay from, here, I'll show you when the gameplay starts. Like, the gameplay from the ball section after this was completely different. Everything after this section was different. It looked different. But the thing is, it all got deleted because it's really buggy. Okay, now let's get to part that involves a lot of spam. Yay, spam. Yay, spam, spam. Okay, now the spam part's over. The whole reason I did spam is because I, like, my mind, I put it at a certain angle. I don't know why I put it at a certain angle, but I just did put it at that angle. Okay, now let's move to the next level, Thunderzone, or what used to be Unity. It used to be called Unity. Oh no, bugs. Yeah, so again, the design is similar to Hexagon Forest, except for the little green and yellow lines change over the black line. This was supposed to introduce the wave, but Thunderzone did. Okay, I wonder if I'm gonna have any issues with the trip spike. Nope, I'm still not having any issues with it. Let's see if I can now beat this level. And I die again. There's not really anything after that. Everything after that, there isn't anything. So now, Geometry Dash and Broken 2, which is very much better, but so much more laggy. Let's. Actually, the links to in Geometry Dash and Broken. Let's go to that again. Sorry, guys. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna go to Super Warp. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay. So, anyways, yes, this is the sequel. The graphics look somewhat better in some ways, but this is not the end. Yes, this is up to date, except for algebraic monstrosity. But no, it's not done yet. There is still so many more scratch projects I've made. So this is Thunderzone. Let's go to NoClip real quick, because oh goodness, this is so laggy. Holy cow, this is so laggy. Oh, and I glitched it. Okay, we're um. Oh yeah, I can't get out of NoClip. Anyways, yes, this is Thunderzone. The very beginning of Thunderzone. Um, like the design is supposed to be different from any Geometry Dash level that currently exists. I think I achieved that. And the thing is, the background, I I was too lazy to get a background for it. Well, sorry, make a background. I've made all the backgrounds. And the song's already off sync because how slow it is. This part I also forgot to replace the spikes. I was just kind of being done with Thunderzone, so I just released a project. Yeah, see, like, the design over here looks a lot better. I quite like the design of the blocks. They're similar to, like, Hexagon Force and Power Trip combined. Also love the blue of this part. Okay, now the ball section. Ooh yay, now the even more intense drop of the song, not the level, because the level's off sync. Because how laggy it is. I don't know why, but I like this part too. It's like, the theme's not very used in Geometry Dash levels. Or just that gameplay. Oh, then you've got the first drop. Yeah, the wave's pretty fun on this. I feel like I'm better at the wave on Scratch than I am at actual Geometry Dash. Oh, yes, oh, thank you, no clip. Yeah, this part, I'm debating how much I like the design on this section. It's decent. Very decent. Now we get to the second drop that I was talking to you about earlier, which the song's over now. I'll probably die close to the section after this. Probably die at the mini wave section. I always die there. Oh, I didn't die. I didn't die there. See if I get past this UFO section though. Oh yes, yes. Okay. Like this part is just trying to catch you off track. It's really not that hard compared to the rest of the level. Honestly, the hardest part is probably I don't know what the hardest part of this level is. Um it's probably that those mini wave sections. It's really confusing. And this part's also pretty hard. You have to focus. It's like slow piano music. That's not my fault if you win or lose. And we get off. Oh, that is stupid. Okay, well, anyways. Oh, yes. Now time to show you glorious morning, which I am partially in. And again, super laggy. I still need to hide those blocks, but yeah. So the design of this is so it has this like naturistic theme. Let's go to NoClip. Forgot to do that. I need to go to NoClip. I don't know if I will finish this for you guys, but I don't know. Will I get the time? But again, I have the time to make this video. Oh, and I'd die because of bugs. This is Geometry Dash and Broken is different from Geometry Dash, different code and everything, which means it has different bugs. There's actually some of the similar bugs, such as most of you guys found out that in Monody, that if you hit the when we go into the first yellow portal and you get into that right as you fall and touch the ground, you'll die. That is the exact same as in normal Geometry Dash. Oh, this part's kind of weird because the slopes aren't the exact same as the wave slopes. It's kind of weird. Yeah, but that is it for this level. Yeah, okay. I'll start getting into the other projects I've made. I don't know, like, such as, like, I started getting into 3D games. And the thing is, Scratch wasn't 3D, so the first 3D game that I made, if I can find it. 3D Garden is one of the first 3D games I made, but not the first one. Yeah, Art of Planetary, Art of Planetary. Okay, so T and R, wait, T to plant a tree. Okay, so first, yay, let's plant that tree. Yay, why is the mouse doing that? Yeah, and the trees grow after a long time. Oh, that tree image is bad. Are the trees ready to harvest yet? Do you harvest them? I don't know. R T T T. How do I T to plant a tree? I don't know what I do now. Oh, A key pressed, I think. There we go. See, now I have apple seeds. R, 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 T, 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 T. Yeah, that's it for that project. We just continually grow to get more seeds from them. Another game that I made is D1A5's 3D World. Yes, right here. This game literally is super basic. You just choose different levels, different animals, and whatnot. Yeah, super basic. Again, with the old intro. That thing's old. There's no music sync or anything. Yeah. Let's do Snake first. Yeah. So you move with not a okay arrow keys. You can actually get stuck on blocks by doing this, and you can't move, but you can get unstuck pretty easily. It's basically just this thing like there's a bush, and this is definitely not 3D. Like how do I go back? Do I press space? Yep, space. Okay, turtle. Yep, turtle. Now there's seaweed everywhere. Like I can go behind the blocks. Yeah, very basic game. No, now you're a rat in the lava. Last of all was a lizard, which I actually did finish. That is all I did for Human Size 3D World. So next are just some 3D tests I started with, if I can find them. Get from yesterday, if I can find it. Let me stop saying if. I know that this is perspective project that I made, where it finds your perspective. Yeah, 3D test number 2. This kind of shows a distance thing and as well as what it'll look like. Oh my goodness. Yeah, super basic. Oh, and the Max is dead. Haha, Mac. Proved you wrong. You're being charged. Anyways, like it kind of shows like what the objects will look like when you come at there from a certain perspective. Because this was originally because I was gonna make a 3D game, except for they're all 2D objects because I did not know how to use pen back then. Now I know how to use pen, and I literally learned calculus, some calculus, so then I could make a 3D game. And yes, I am very determined like that. Stuck in a corner. Yeah, like being stuck in a corner. Yeah, that is it for that test. What other stuff? Oh, there's a title screen. Next is a game that I made called Algebraic Monstrosity for because I had summer school, but it's finally over now. Um, but one of my TAs, the teacher's assistant, was basically the teacher. He was such a good teacher. And anyways, we had a final project we had to do. Um, and basically this is kind of what you could say Prodigy, except for I'm nowhere into it. Like it says, I am not done. Why am I not done? I'm just not done with it. Because I will make this kind of like a full-on game for him. Yeah. So first, yep. So like it asks you like negative 18.1. Is it an integer or is it rational? I'm not sure if you know this or not, but yeah, it's rational. Um, -6. Is it rational or is it an integer? It's also that is an integer. 27. Is it a whole number or is it a natural number? So natural. It's kind of like counting numbers. It's natural. And this is the exact same thing from the beginning. This one is in irrational. 0 rational. Yeah, it says you win. Didn't do credit, especially Watford. He makes the music for a lot of the stuff I do. What are other things I can show you right before the final thing? Oh yeah, I also did a thing for you make it, but he looks kind of good. Oh yes, basic. So I made this basic platformer. The physics are really good. I love it. So this is like if I were to make a geometry dash, well, a geometry dash platformer. That's why the cube rotates. There's this glitch where you can actually scale up walls. And how it's able to jump in midair. That's really weird. Like, huh. You can like go super fast with like pounding with the down arrow key. I like the physics to it. I made it in math class because I got bored. Okay, so what other good projects do we have before the final project? Oh yes, how could I forget Cubies Mining Adventure? We're kind of sad that I forgot Cubies Mining Adventure. So this one originally was going to make a Minecraft game, a 2D Minecraft game, with kind of this very basic game. Haha, there's my brother, Groudon 366. I've beat it 50 times. Yeah, he played. I don't know why, but my friends absolutely love this. But it is not one of my favorite projects I've made. The thing is, like one day I was just super motivated, and right as I got back from school, which is like 3 o'clock, I spent until 9 o'clock p.m. so then I could make this game. Again, this is an intro I only used once, and the song got kind of blurred out, which is kind of sad. Like, most of the songs are copyrighted in this game. Well, to YouTube at least. So yeah, first, just try to get money. Yeah, barely anybody knows this. Yeah, you can change your color. Do orange. Orange seems good. And I wasted most of my time just doing that. Okay, so first, like, I like getting time, then maybe a pickaxe. So the ore I'm mining right now is coal. It gives you like 2, I believe, and the white stuff is just silver. It has less mining time than coal, but it gives you only 1. Gives you 1 money. Bad grammar. So first, yeah, buy some time. I know you can't do that in real life, but yeah, in this game you can buy some time. Yeah, see, I'm just picking around for that coal. This game does have different biomes, kind of like Minecraft, cave biomes. So technically, Minecraft, yes, I did make the cave update first. Okay, so next, go on mining this coal. Yes, mine coal, mine coal. This game is basically beaten when you get the Obsidian Pickaxe, which isn't that far into the game. Like, once you get far into the game, you get far into the game. Oh, I don't think I'll have enough. Oh, I got it. Yes, okay. 101. There, now I have only 1 money. And now I have the stone pickaxe, which is like 66%, sorry, 60% better, I believe, than the last pickaxe. Let's start mining this amethyst. And by the way, yes, this game is 100% mobile. Probably one of my only mobile games, except for Pokemon Seasons, the 4th version. I forgot that was mobile. Yeah, I remember that's mobile. I remember testing it on one of the tablets. Oh, do you know what's so fun? Oh, I just realized that. Okay, so it's called Amethyst. It's an Amethyst Ore. Minecraft now has Amethyst. Again, with me in predicting. Yeah, let's just mine down, down. So these brick type things, those ones with like a bunch of squares in them, is the longest one to mine in that area. The just normal brick blocks are, they take some time to mine. Slowly earning money. The beginning of this game is so slow compared to the rest of the game. Oh, it's buggy. This game actually wasn't perfect when I first made it mobile. Like on the Chromebook, you could weirdly glitch through blocks, which is so weird. But actually, I tried it on my computer and I couldn't glitch through any blocks, so I'm guessing that's just because the Chromebook was so bad. Oh, I'm getting so close to the amount of money I need. Oh, 188, so close to getting the next pickaxe. I believe the next pickaxe is a silver pickaxe. Okay, yes, I have enough money. Let's just get more money. Because when you have enough money, you should still be earning more. Yay, you now have a silver pickaxe. Well, I now have a silver pickaxe. So silver pickaxe is again 60% faster than the last pickaxe, the stone pickaxe. Just gonna mine to here and start mining the rubies. Rubies give you 26, which is quite a big jump from the amethyst. So yes, get the red. Red is good. So I'm already at 125. So which means the next pickaxe, I don't remember which one. I can't remember anything today. I'm struggling to get down there. Okay, yay. Let's start mining the rubies. Oh, oh, 240, yes. Okay, 240 money. I just say 60 more. Then I reach my long time dream of having the next pickaxe. Well, my character's long time dream. Oh, 299. Yes, okay. Now we get the Amethyst Pickaxe, which mines 60% faster than the last pickaxe, the Silver Pickaxe. This game did not have a lot of effort put into it at all. Like the fact that like I don't like this game too much. Once you get the Amethyst Pickaxe, the game becomes so much easier. It's like you start breezing through the game like it's nothing. See, already I have 300 yen. Oh, will I be able to? Ooh, yes! 400 there. And now we have the Iron Pickaxe. No, it's not copper, it's iron. I believe it's iron. Because iron actually, when it gets rusty, it's orangish color. I do not think I'll be able to make that money. Okay, let's upgrade my time. So already the game's getting so much easier. I'll be able to get to the next biome. Oh wait, it's gold, except for the gold is fool's gold. The whole reason it's actually fool's gold is because I forgot to program in a value for how much money it gives you. So in the end, it turned out to be fool's gold. 555. Ooh, yeah. Let's get the lapis pickaxe. With this, you like mine straight down. It's so awesome. Well, not yet. You mine straight down. See again, fool's gold. If you watched it, it gives you nothing. 242, still 242. Lame. Let's go to the next place. It's got vines everywhere, and it has emeralds, which gives you 50. Oh, kind of sucks. Let's just mine this to be safe. Why is it playing the song Time Machine so much? Oh my goodness, there's so much. Oh, and I got a lot of money now. Next is the gold pickaxe. Probably will get enough. Oh, that's a long line of stuff. Okay, yeah, see, I'm already getting a lot of money from this. Too bad it's not real life money, though. If you got real life money from this game, that'd be so overpowered. Let's just get the emeralds, because emeralds are, well, it's worth it. Okay, let's get the emerald pickaxe now. Which, as you can constantly see, you just go faster and faster downwards. Oh, there's emeralds. And more emeralds. And more emeralds. Basically, whenever you're in a place, you just want to get the highest. Ooh, diamonds! Yes, get the diamond, get the diamond. Ooh, yes. Yay, now we have the Ruby Pickaxe. Which again, mine's super fast. It's kind of weird that rubies after amethyst and emeralds. Rubies are introduced earlier into the game. Yes, diamonds. Diamonds each give you 100. They're the big grand prize. Emeralds are still kind of worth it to get. The thing is, I'm still not at the end of the game. Better pickaxe, the diamond pickaxe. Again, you can just mine so fast downwards. Okay, let's mine the diamonds. It's like, just get rid of everything but the block I'm on. Ooh, this biome. So this. Oh, and I'm out of time. So gold pickaxe, and we have the obsidian pickaxe now. Again, you just like mine the heck out of the blocks. After this point in time, the best block is obsidian. And yes, that is the correct coloration for obsidian. But then Minecraft, obsidian is not purple. Okay, so now something that a lot of my friends do is turbo mode. Super fast and everyone loves it. But my friends love it. And you just go down so fast. See, look at my money. It's already at 10,000. Like, the further you go down, it gets so pitch black. See, it's like you just go straight down. Like, in a blink, you're already at the base of the level. Yeah, that is it for Cubies mining adventure. So then the last project, or probably one of the most important projects right now, is Nebulon. This game was originally spent on a contest that MJM3 hosted. It was a platformer contest. And the day before, I was playing Pokemon Quest, so which explains the reason why in this the characters are cubes. But anyways, like the story in this is so much more basic than it currently is now. But this project started something a lot bigger. Like, yeah, currently I'm making Nebulon with Unreal Engine. See, already the beginning is super simple. See, now at the very beginning, oh, the text is not showing. See, just what happened, what just happened. See, that's your mom. See, they're all cubes and whatnot. You can explore. Yeah, it's quite an empty town right now. This is Blackshar. Blackshar is now not evil. He's misunderstood to be evil. See, in this, he's just trying to destroy the town. See, this is a platformer or side scroller, and in this, yes, the planets are called Mercury and Venus and Earth, but for the new version, it's Opulentia, Scoria, and Technon, which I find that it suits it so much better. The fact that this is not an Earth game. Crazy that something so simple can lead to something so much more amazing. Now let's get past this level. Uh, and I'm struggling. I always struggle with this section. And I got past it. Yeah, now this is Earth, which is going to be Technon. It's going to have a huge tech city in it. It's going to be awesome. See, this already, it's like, oh, it's a rocket and sword. There's no characters in this. Now you get to this battle, which is Blackshar. So you've come, battle me. Yeah, super basic. You just swing your sword around, and when he disappears, that's when he's weak, vulnerable. In this, see already, this is so much more simple. Character design is also different, very different. Although the fact that he does not have a mouth, that is still the same. And the villain character will never ever have a mouth. See, he already has like no health left. Yep, and see, I just beat the game. Oh, that's a high score. Interesting. Yes, but that is it for all my Scratch projects I have ever made. Thank you for supporting me, and through all these years, I've been doing Scratch. I believe it's 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years and 2 months. Which, yes, yeah, sayonara, goodbye. Well, on Scratch, obviously. I'm going to be working on Unreal. But yes, I will still use some of, well, Scratch. I will still use Scratch to make some images for Unreal 4, such as like all the sword images. Well, not the sword images, not the sword models, but the sword images were like on screen, and like all those images, such as like the shurikens. But yes, that is the end of this video.